when you're setting up a class, what is really good to do, if you go on advanced settings, now obviously eSafety and bullying and all that sort of stuff, it tends to happen when the students are free to do as they wish. So if you have a look here, it says default all new members to read only. That means that they cannot post on the page. In Edmodo, there is no facility for them to directly contact each other. They can directly message you, but not each other. The only way they can get hold of each other is if you allow them to post on the page. So what you can do to stop that is default all new members to read only, or you can go to moderate all posts and replies. So that gives them the ability to post, but you have to check that content is okay first. Completely up to you which way you prefer to do it. As a default, I do go for that. And then if I sort of, like if it's year 12s, I just go for the moderate all posts and reply. Okay, so let's just save that like that.